Today's day 25 and there's one day left until Christmas. Today I'm making Christmas brownie cookies. First I'm going to add 1 box of brownie mix into a bowl. Next I'm going to add an egg. Then add 1 stick of melted butter. And mix that up until the dough forms. I have a lined cookie sheet. I'm going to scoop out the cookies. Next I'm going to add 1 of these Christmas tree sugar cookies on top of each brownie cookie and then bake this at 350 for 10 minutes. Next I have a Santa plate and cup. I'm going to add the cookies on the Santa plate. Next I'm going to fill the glass with some milk and then add a drop of red food coloring and mix that up. Lastly, I'm going to add some whipped cream, some sprinkles, and then put the lid on the cup. Here's an up close look at the Christmas brownie cookies and milk.